We are in the new Sustainable Innovation Center in the Marine Science Center, and we are going to be deploying a seismograph on Ram Island.
The Shaw Innovation Fellows really are some of the best students across campus coming together to work on difficult problems.
It gives students the opportunity to do work in a field before they actually go out into the workforce.
Bringing them together to work on these hard problems allows us to improve our understanding, advance what we're doing at UNE, and train students to go out and make a difference in the world.
Ram Island is about a 12-minute boat ride from the university dock.
Maine gets multiple earthquakes every year.
There was just an earthquake in February.
This seismometer will monitor those earthquakes, but part of our hope is that every week we're getting low pressure systems, we're getting storms that come through that generate really large waves. And right now we don't have a very good way to monitor those waves. We're going to see if we can deploy this seismometer to actually monitor waves on the island. So the idea is that as these waves crash on the island, they actually will be strong enough when they hit to cause the earth to shake here, even a very small amount that we'll be able to detect.